Welcome back to our channel, the 1990D quarter dollar coins value guys. Rare error, the 1990D quarter dollar. This small piece of currency holds not just monetary value, but also a piece of history. Let's take a closer look. The year 1990 saw a period of growth and change in the United States. The economy was on the rise, and technological advancements were shaping the world. What makes this 1990D quarter dollar particularly interesting is its rarity. Only a limited number of these coins were minted, adding to their value for collectors. Now, let's talk about recent auctions. Recently, a 1990D quarter dollar was featured in a prestigious heritage auction. These auctions attract serious collectors from around the world. The bidding for this particular coin started at $3,000 and quickly escalated. The excitement during these auctions is palpable, with collectors vying for the chance to own a piece of history. Bids came in from phone lines, online platforms, and in-person attendees, showcasing the global interest in numismatics. As the bids soared higher, the anticipation built up. Finally, the gavel came down, and the 1990D quarter dollar was sold for an impressive $70,000. This moment not only solidified its value, but also added another chapter to its heritage. So, there you have it, the fascinating story of the 1990D quarter dollar, its historical context, rarity, and the excitement of the heritage auction. If you're a coin collector or someone interested in history, this coin truly represents a tangible piece of the past. Thank you for joining us today.